Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, August 11th of 2021. Don't forget to stop by perfectstormtrading.com, enter the contest, get yourself a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. Looking at the Vedic, we've got a couple timing windows today. Over here at 2:36 to 16:55, we have a key block with the trigger likely coming at 15:17. Then there's another one early in the evening, about 19:15, 7:15 p.m. We should have another reversal point. Let's see what kind of action we have for that one now. Notice we did kind of move into bearish mode with the Astro Excel and then the Vedic here from the last couple days. We've got a lot of confluence here between A2, A3, B1, B2, and B3. That kind of was the trigger for this down move. Then we hit the area of the blue and the green. So we made a bottom in here and a flip back over. We're a little bit more bullish here right now, and the Astro Excel green line is also bullish today, but we have a cross current on the blue line, so they're kind of in conflict with each other, but we've got a little bit more of a bullish bias here. So don't forget to take advantage of that timing window. Let's get to some rainbow triggers. Here's the rainbow band. I have this opened up quite a bit so you can see the color range in here. First signal came in, we did not get a reversal bar, so we have no trade on that one. The next one's coming in off the A5, A6 band, and that's going to be right here about 8:16. So we've got that coming up in about a half hour. Next one in the morning is going to be after the open, about 9:52, 9:55 area. Then we've got a double confluence. We've got the A5, A6, and then the A7, A8 lining up together. See the two green blocks overlapping, and then the smaller ribbon, you have the white. The whites are in sync there. So we're looking for that at 11:47. And then the last one of the day is going to come in right around 3 o'clock. So that's what we're looking at there. We've got that going here for today. We have a minor timing indication for a daily bar turning point today. Some of the cycle work confluence comes in there too, so possible potential turning point today on the 11th. So we'll watch carefully there and see what happens, see if we roll over here or not. So that's it for today. We'll be back again on Thursday with another video, and we will talk to you then. Thanks for watching.